Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn practical number 10. So, the question is this. The code is import pandas as PD, data is equal to curly bracket, we have product, digit, and sales, and close the curly bracket. Same thing which I've already explained in the previous video. We are creating a dictionary of there are three things: product, region, and sales. DF is equal to PD dot data frame data. Then we have print original data frame slash n df slash n. Will display you the data, the raw data in the tabular format. Next, pivot underscore table is equal to pd dot pivot underscore table. df comma value is equal to sales, index is equal to product, column is equal to region, aggregate function equal to sum, fill underscore value equal to 0, close the bracket. So now what does it do here? We have three things, right? Product, region, and sales. So my pivot table creates a pivot table from the data frame. Now this will specify the pivot table where I also summarize the sales column. And here I mentioned index equal to product, which sets my product name as row of the pivot table, and each product appears once in the summarized form. Column is equal to region, which sets the region as a column heading in my pivot table. Then aggregation function, which is sum, which calculates the total sales for each product in each region. Then fill underscore value is equal to 0. If there is any, there is no sale exists, if there is, then we have to place it 0 over there. Then next, print pivot table, product by sales by region, comma pivot table. This will display the pivot table showing the product has rows, region as column, and total sale values has the table entires. And this is your output. So what is the program is basically telling you is summarizing the product wise sales across different regions using pandas. So can you see the original data frame? And after filtering, we're using the pivot table. I get this. Thank you.